You unravel me with a melody. You surround me with a song of deliverance from my enemies, till all my fears are gone. I'm no longer a slave to fear.
God, who owned the universe, so good, great in love, who came down to earth.
Samlam ngau gelu nudle ani the re glubera of Jesus Christ zite ani waiting wong adung le kiala le. Amen.
Bang neda, pa kerang inzo siaket, pa ring zudida. Aka buang dele, pa kezelni de pilo. Zu zete mi zu, dele pa lede kelume dage rang belo. Pa o kecaiga de zudida. Na zu pa nui duaraye galani ga mi di zeuda. Jika de nui pezu mauluze, I nui dage rang kebele nzung long. This is the word of God. Amen.
It is because of resurrection that everything has been changed thus far. At the first time in the history of mankind, somebody coming to life again after death, and it has never happened again till today. And we are so fortunate to believe in that kind of man who came, who died, who rose again from death, who defeated and who resurrected. And we are here hoping for that day to come to see him when we go to heaven. Yes, this is the empty tomb of Jesus in Jerusalem. So this is the culmination of Passion Week. Our faith has been reassured, strengthened because of the empty tomb. If Christ's body was there laid forever, then we might not even celebrate this kind of day. Like Paul said, all preaching will be meaningless. So is your faith. Had there been no resurrection,